Wounded civilian family. I salute you all. Last week, these people in government told us that the abducted Dapshi girls will be released in less than 2 weeks. We laughed at them because this is what they always do. They will tell you one thing today and deny it tomorrow. They lie too much. So when they told us that the Boko Haram will release the missing Dapshi girls last week, we were laughing at them. But wonderfully, the Islamic Boko Haram boy came to do the talk truly as promised. They released the girls. They came with the girls and dropped the girls. Openly. They did it openly in the presence of our army, DSS, police, and NSCDC. And the Dapshi, the locals in Dapshi, they were also singing songs of praise, praising the Boko Haram. Boko Haram drove for almost 4 hours, on our roads. We are in a Dapshi village, to deliver the girls to their parents, and it took them almost 2 hours. And our army were there, police, everybody were there when the Boko Haram boys were releasing the girls. Well, my people, you see what we are talking about. Is Buhari and APC not wonderful? So they not telling us they are fighting terrorism, fighting Boko Haram. I told you before that they are deceiving you people, or they are deceiving themselves. They know, these people in government, Buhari know the Boko Haram boys is doing what the Quran commanded them to do. I don't care whatever you think about what I'm saying. The truth is what I believe. They are not looking for Boko boys. They know what they are doing now. They pay them billions now. This is how they fund Boko Haram secretly, but you people don't know. They will go and tell them, oh yeah, come and take some girls, we'll give you millions. That's what they do. That's how they remove the presidential power from south to the north, with this Chibos girls saga nonsense. And they just did it now. They just, fund them now with style, and you don't know. The picture is in everywhere. Go and watch it. The video will soon come out. I've called some people. The video will soon come out and I will share it on my wall. And they said they were releasing the girls. Police, soldiers were there. The people were singing. They were praising them. They were all laughing there. You see what we have been talking about. Everybody sit back. We are watching the story. I just have to make this video because what I said in the past is coming true. It's coming true now. I believe when I talk now, people, you guys will listen to me. I don't just talk. I don't criticize these people because of I hate them. I criticize them because I know that these people are evil. I know what they are up to. Thank you and God bless.